So my name's Stephen. I'm a lead consultant at V2AI, Australia's fastest growing AI, cloud and data consultancy. And on top of that, I'm also an AWS community hero, and I do a lot of evangelism when it comes to AWS and AI throughout Australia and also across the world. To me, one of the great things from the AWS Community Day last year was the quality and variety of the talks. We had so many fantastic speakers from across Australia and beyond coming to tell us about what they're building with AWS, the different types of things that they're finding, the challenges, and finding a lot of different ways that they're actually building and solving problems with both cloud and AI. For me, the big reason I want to get in and talk at the AWS Community Day last year and why I also want to do it again this year is because it is a fantastic opportunity to share your knowledge with practitioners of AWS. One of the challenges with a lot of the official conferences like summits is that you don't often get to hear some of the rough edges. You don't get to see how things are really working in the trenches. Some of the things that are not just about generative AI and data and all the big fancy things that people like talking about because it means money. You actually get to hear about the problems that builders are facing. And for those of us who are speaking, we get to share our experiences with others as well, which is one of the most valuable things I think we can do, because we get to share things that may not be written down online and that may not be things you typically hear of through other channels. So last year, I got the great chance to be the moderator for a panel discussion, talking with other people from the AWS community about their experiences, building things on AWS and their experiences in the community, and also with their careers as well. One of the biggest things that I find is very useful talking to people in the community is you can understand how people got to where they've managed to get to themselves. And I find that those lessons often are very valuable for people at every stage of their career, whether they're just starting out or figuring out how to take that next step. Now, if you've gone to these conferences before, you might have seen people up and talking on stage and thought that these people must just be so full of knowledge that these people are on a totally different level. And I'm here to tell you that's absolutely not the case. We are just people who have built with this technology and we've decided to get up there and share what we know. So if you're somebody who's looking to get into public speaking and speaking at these types of events and conferences, the AWS Community Day is a fantastic opportunity for you to do so. My recommendation for you, if you're looking to get into speaking for the first time at the AWS Community Day Australia, is have a think about the types of things that you're solving in your day job. Have a think about the things that you're interested in. And if there's stuff that you just wish other people would know, have a think about that, have some ideas. And ultimately, if you have an idea, but you're not sure how to turn it into a talk, reach out to other people who you know who might also be speakers, and then see if they can help you formulate the ideas. If you're looking to speak for the first time as well, not only is the AWS Community Day a great way to get into doing so, there's also specific assistance for people who are coming into speaking for the first time. So be sure to check the information available in the description that will help you find out what kind of support is available, because we want to hear from you. AWS Community Day.